Yo, what's good, boys? It's been a minute. Obviously, I've been working for the past month and a bit. It's the last week of work, starting tomorrow. It's a Friday, so I haven't had a lot of time to trade. However, I've been posting here and there. My voice has gone the last couple days, hence why. Well, I mean, I haven't been making vids, but I've just been chilling, just getting it recovered. And now it's sort of back, so thought I'd come, make this vid quick, get back into the swing of things. And yeah, it was a clean 5R, very high time frame, which is what we are. So yeah, we'll start on the 4 hour. So we did our bias. This is on NAS. Oh. It's on NAS, by the way. Okay, so our bias was we're just reading current order flow. We can start with where's the path? So there we go. We'll just start here. Okay, so we've got a low that makes a high that takes out the current high. So let me restart that now. A low takes out that, bang, and got a new swing low that gets put in, takes out that high. We get a new swing low that takes out that high. Now you might wonder, why was this not the new high that was made? Because it was wicked above. It wasn't. Why is the screen frozen though? I'm not trying to cut this. I'm trying to do it again. Let me do something. There we go. Bang. Sweet. Cool, right, we back. Cool, right, like I was saying, this high was the current high where it was at. We then pushed above, breaking it. This is our new swing low. Come down, pushed up. This is our new high. This low made that new high. Now, reason why this was not our new high is because it wicked above, meaning this is not the swing low because it wicked above this swing low that took out this swing low. Due to this wicking above, this swing low then took out that high as it closed above at this point, meaning this is the new swing low, if that makes sense. So I'll do it again. I'll keep the drawings on other than the path tool. Start here, bang, closed above, cool, new swing low. Then make a swing high that goes above this high. This is not a swing low as it wicked above, so this is the swing low that broke that swing high. And this is the current dealing range we're in. So as you can see, Thursday, liquidity sweeped it, which also hit into a daily fair value gap right here. We can get rid of this now, I suppose. Daily fair value gap right here. Get back onto the 4 hour time frame. So we know hit the key level and we swept sell side. We're going to be pushing for this high now. this is our major target, this can be our minor target. So as you can see, we are at Monday, so we marked up Monday London and Monday New York. Trade was in New York. Let me just, yeah, the trade was in New York, and as you can see, it was a very clean trade. Let me just, yeah, very clean trade. Not really any drawdown at all. I'll show you what I was seeing though. Jump onto the 5 minute. So originally we then looked at, it was looking from here. Now originally we had the CRT here, and this high to this low with this fair value gap here. But during London, we did not push down into this. We didn't sweep liquidity and we didn't tap back in. So that's fine. But what I did notice, 30-second break. How was your day? Cause I have missed trading, you know. It might sound silly, but I've even missed looking at the bottom right corner, watching the seconds go up. Because each second is a bit of data. Right, we're back. Cool. So yeah, originally we was looking at London to sweep this CRT. We'd already swept this CRT, hence why we didn't push back. But you could get a CRT within a CRT, but we did not get that. Trade was in New York. What we did notice though was, I'll show you London. So this is obviously midnight. We didn't have this in London. We just sort of ranged around. We didn't want to sweep this CRT low. It was a third candle. It would have been a third candle trade. So 1 second candle manipulation, buy below the open. So you could have bought anywhere there in that zone. Could have bought anywhere in this zone below the open. So this was below the open, sorry. Here. So could have bought anywhere in this zone here. But yeah, we did not, as there was just not enough liquidity taken for me. So what we did see though is we jumped on to the 2 hour, or was it the 1 hour? Yes, we noticed. Is it 2 hour or 1 hour? Because 2 hour, that just doesn't look. Why is that doing that? Why is it showing that? Oh, it's the line. Yeah, it's the line from my OCD then. It's going off. Anyways, at 4 o'clock, we closed above this bearish fair value gap, which is a telltale sign that if we're closing above a bearish fair value gap whilst having a bias of being bullish, you're in a very good sign. We sweeped out sell side, we then started pushing up, and we've now closed above a bearish PD array. So we can then use that as a inverse fair value gap, a nested fair value, I think you can call it that, I don't know. But yeah, we inverse this fair value gap, so we can then use that, which is, well, what we did. So we then closed above here, 7 a.m. hit, which was New York, and we had this marked. There you go, mark it to tap. We then also marked out our current structure that we was in. So go back onto the path tool. Bang, got a high right here. We'll start This is our high currently. Bang, pushed down. This closed above. This is our new low. Our swing low is actually here, and our high is here. We then made a new swing low here, as this low did not push above. We then pushed above this current high here. This is our current dealing range. Now we could have set entries on a fair value gap or this order block, or 50% of this order block, like that. But for me, if we've got a high time frame PDO, might as well use it. So we literally got our entries, bish, bash, bosh. First target hit, the 4-hour time frame. We're in this dealing range. This is the first major high inside of premium. This is our major target. We can actually see what would have happened. And then we come back down. So yeah, we had the rat tape profit, comes up, but then we switched to bearish over time. So yeah, that was our trade inside this dealing range here, and then inside this 2-hour inverse fair value gap with our premium targets taken right there, and then inside of this dealing range as well. So we used price action, high time frame PD arrays to frame a bias even on a Monday to get a 5R. Now I'll show you execution right here. Entry price 9411, entry price 9411, bang. Yeah, good to be back. And you can really see the daily open, high, low, close. When you look at it like this, like you look at the open here, that was our low of the day, pushed up to high of the day, and then we closed out around here. So we caught this nice little move to almost a high of the day, but we took our profits and dipped. So yeah, I mean, good to be back. I will see you guys in a bit, and peace.